Hello, this is JNM Reviews, and today I would love to review this free sample provided by TAGRY. So they are wireless earbuds. So it comes with instructions, as you can see here. You can pair it with your device, your cell phone. And mine are color blue, as you can see here. So they have the blue and white, which is very nice, and I like it. So the carrying case comes with the chargers, so you can charge the carrying case and have them charge at all times. So they can last for 6 hours, and you can receive phone calls, you can change your song, you can listen to music, and you can hear them loud. They won't fall off from your ear. For example, let me try this on. So as you can see here, it looks very stylish. I like it also for the gym, for workouts. And I'm planning, this is also a great for a gift. So I hope you check them out. These are the X08. I like them. Very stylish, very nice, work perfectly. Thank you for watching.